Chapter 1. The Engine. It has been months or years since you bought your car, you have driven it hundreds if not thousands of miles, and suddenly your engine light comes on. You take it to the mechanic and you're told that your car needs a tune-up and cannot be driven until this is done. Like cars, law firms also get the occasional check engine light when the firm's progress seems to have come to a halt or there is a noticeable lack of scaling. While there is no mechanic or repair shop for law firms, I have tuned up quite a number of law firms over the past decade and have constructed a valuable checklist to ensure consistent growth. The first thing I do is look at the crux of the issue, what I will call the law firm's engine. The law firm's engine will consist of the case management system, CSM, since this is the basic building block for developing and scaling a law firm in today's day and age. First, how updated is the CSM and does it support a client-facing solution? If your CSM is up to date, does it have the necessary features to integrate with third-party service providers and other SW solutions? Now, given that your CSM will allow you to keep up to date with your cases and clients, we need to make sure that its integration includes automatic client follow-up features, including but not limited to texts, emails, phone calls, and forms and letters that automate the pre-litigation process. Next, we look at the case calendaring and ensure it includes the following: proper scheduling, reminders, third-party notifications, client history tracking. In addition to tracking cases in order to maximize case settlements, attorneys must also manage and track treatments, including tracking, connection to medical providers, automated provider search, reminders and follow with the client, reminders and follow up with providers, real-time treatment updates, records collection, bill collection and calculations. The main features of case management software are cloud-based system and backup tools, template customization, client history and communications tracking, effective file organization, checklist customization, secure document sharing, scheduling and calendaring system, task prioritization and assignment, third-party notifications, integration tools, real-time treatment update, tools, reminders and follow-up with client and providers, automated records collection system, bill collection and calculation, customizable reports and reporting system. Once you've tracked how you can maximize the value of your case, you can then use the specific intake facts to estimate your cost and the value of your case. The value of your case builds the more you work hand in hand with your client. By tracking your client's management and updating all involved parties as to the status of the case, not only can you add value to the case settlement, but the reviews and referrals from that satisfied client will surely allow you to bear the fruit of taking a few extra steps. The building blocks of a successful case assessing. 1. Damages, past, present, and future. 2. Continuing medical care for your case. 3. Collecting and preserving evidence. 4. Accurately tracking case costs. 5. Understanding the insurance industry. 6. Effective communication with all parties. 7. Preparing your case for trial. On the topic of keeping your engine running, an integral part of scaling your law firm includes being integrated with service providers. No lawyer was ever able to succeed with a properly scaled firm unless they had beneficial relationships with medical providers, lead management companies, litigation support services, and lead generation companies. I have included an exhaustive list of service providers that a successful law firm must have relationships with. Integrated with service providers, medical providers, case funding, legal services, communication solutions, document collection, lead management, sign-up services, litigation support services, lead generation services, demand writing services, AI platforms, marketing solutions, review collection, client survey, client retention solutions, referral services, connecting the dots, integration considerations for case management software. Like any working engine which requires upkeep and maintenance, such as consistent oil checks and consistent servicing, your law firm's maintenance comes from your staff. Just like how you can't expect your engine to run properly if you're not maintaining your vehicle, you can't expect your law firm to run if you're not maintaining your staff. All members of your staff, from claim managers, paralegals, associates, and attorneys, must have proper caseload management. My rule of thumb is simple, yet often forgotten. Keep your good staff happy and terminate unproductive staff. You are not doing them a favor by keeping them around. To ensure your staff is meeting expectations, you need to lay out the groundwork for them. This includes having specific job descriptions, annual performance reviews, growth and education plans, teamwork exercises, and incentive programs. Example, incentive plan for law firm employees, revenue-based. This diagram outlines a quarterly bonus structure for law firm employees based on the firm hitting specific settlement revenue goals. How it works: each quarter, the firm sets a settlement goal and corresponding total bonus pool. That bonus is then split among team members using fixed percentages. 50% goes to the attorney, 30% to the case manager, 16% to the paralegal, 4% to the intake specialist. Example by quarter. Quarter 1, $300K goal, $5,000 total bonus. Attorney earns $12,500, case manager $1,500, paralegal $800, intake $200 a quarter. 4, $375K goal, $8,000 total bonus. Attorney gets $4,000, and so on. A successful law firm will ensure that these statistics are tracked. Average settlement dollars per staff, average time spent on a case, average cost per pre-lit cases, average cost per litigation cases, the average age of cases in pre-lit, the average age of cases in litigation. Additionally, make sure you are structuring weekly case reviews with senior attorneys to build the value of cases, prevent roadblocks, and increase client satisfaction. That can include discussing top 10 active cases, problem clients, possible clients to refer out, case review, candidates the firm should drop. Once you have properly integrated your firm with service providers, tracked your staff's work and success, and updated your clientele with their case status, the crux of your firm or your engine will be in good shape to allow you to put tons of mileage on your vehicle, aka your firm.